The Planter's Punch. It's strong, sour and a bit spicy. And like its name, it will iron you out and fold you up like an ironing board if you're not careful. With this one, I've gone with the Don the Beachcomber specs, but working with 2 rums instead of the 3 and using Appleton Estate 12 year, Don Q Gold, Velvet Falernum, which incidentally sounds like a terrible rock band from the 70s, Grenadine, simple syrup, lime and Angostura Bitters. Let's kick off the proceedings by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml, of our dark Jamaican rum. Follow up with 1 ounce, that's 30ml of our golden rum. To this we want to add half an ounce, that's 15ml of simple syrup. Then our fruit component, which is the fresh lime juice, we're adding 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5ml. Okay, now you need to add half a bar spoon of Grenadine. In hindsight, I'm going to get a less sweet and brilliant red version of this, so go careful with this ingredient. Then half a bar spoon of Velvet Falernum, and I admit I was a little bit too generous here. Add to this 3 dashes of Angostura Bitters. Add some roughly crushed ice and flash blend. Now be careful when you do this, as you don't want to overblend it. You want the consistency of like a fine crushed ice. Using the bigger kitchen blenders, you're aiming at around 5 seconds. An immersion blender, you need to eyeball it a little bit. History wise, the Planter's Punch is originated back to Jamaica around the 19th century, and the drink actually was a welcome drink at the Myrtle Bank Hotel. Add to the glass of your choice. Top this off with some crushed ice and work quickly with this. Then garnish with a mint sprig. Okay, the taste test. I'm biased, I love Tiki drinks, and this is brilliant. One thing I would do is find a bit more of a complex Grenadine to use and include another rum, and I'll probably up the amount of bitters a bit, but I could drink these all day out in the sun. These are absolutely lethal. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most will enjoy and have a couple more and behave yourselves.